Hello friends, welcome to how to do it. Today I'll show you how to add image to HTML. Alright, so let's start. First of all, you can type image tag in on your editor or your browser editor. Anywhere you can type image tag like this one. So this is the image tag. Now you can write the image source path like and natural. This is the image source path. Now if I open this, then you will see this image. Alright, but if you want to image size like width 100, now we can see again is the image size. Alright, so this is the image tag, but if you also want to share from like live website from internet source like a way, now you can click any image. This is the image source, like copy image address, then you can paste here. Now if we look on browser, then you will see this image I'm showing here. Alright, this image showing now. So that's it. It is the pretty easy and you can do according to my guideline. And thank you for the watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.